Hi everybody and welcome to this exercise. In this exercise we want to create a collision shape so that when the ball flies off the edge of the screen here, it doesn't fly off but it bounces back as we see in this video. So pause the video and try to solve it. Good luck! So let's get started. There is more than one way of doing it. For example, one way to do it would be to create another static body named body wall and then adding the collision shape to that one. But I prefer to keep things a bit simpler, and instead of creating another static body, I'm going to add a shape to an existing static body. I'm going to add the shape to the static body ground. Let's rename it to shape wall. And let's add a rectangle. And let's move and resize the rectangle. As you can see, I now have one static body, which contains two shapes. Okay, let's test it. And there we have it. In the next video, we're going to add some more collision shapes. See you soon. Bye bye.